Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn Help Center request with faster ticketing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your LinkedIn Help Center request with faster ticketing, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Help Center. You can find the Help Center link at the bottom of the LinkedIn homepage. In the Help Center, locate the search bar at the top. Type in keywords related to your issue. Press Enter to view the search results. Browse through the suggestions provided to see if your issue is addressed. If you still need assistance, look for the Contact Us option. Click on it to start a new support request. You will be prompted to select the type of issue you are experiencing. Select the most relevant category from the drop-down menu. After selecting the category, provide a brief description of your issue. Be sure to include any pertinent details that might help in resolving your request. Once you have filled out the description, locate the option to upload supporting documents. If you have any screenshots or files related to your issue, upload them now. Next, provide any additional information required in the fields provided. Look for an option that allows you to request faster ticketing. This may be labeled as urgent or priority. Select that option if your issue requires immediate attention. Review all the information you have entered to ensure it is accurate. When you are satisfied with your submission, click the Submit button. You should receive an acknowledgement that your request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or responses regarding your ticket. If you need to follow up, return to the Help Center and check the status of your request. By following these steps, you can effectively update your LinkedIn Help Center request and take advantage of faster ticketing options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.